Hello everyone. I am the head principal and leader of the Taoyuan English Advisory Team, also known as 热血小樱桃. Our mission is to enhance English education across Taoyuan's elementary schools by supporting teacher, professional growth and promoting innovative teaching practices. We believe that English is not only a subject, but a bridge that connects our students to the world. Our team is composed of outstanding English teachers from schools all around Taoyuan. Each member brings both expertise and passion, forming a professional learning community that thrives on collaboration, creativity, and continuous improvement. Through co-planning, peer observation, and online workshops, we help teachers implement competence-based and communicative English instruction. We embrace three core values. First, professionalism. We follow the PDCA cycle: plan, do, check, act, to ensure steady progress in teaching and learning. Second, innovation. We integrate technology such as AI tools, digital platforms, and gamified learning apps to create engaging classrooms. Third, passion. Our shared enthusiasm and support drive every member to grow together and bring out the best in students. Our slogan says it best: teaching is a work of heart. Through love, teamwork, and professionalism, we strive to make English learning a joyful, meaningful experience for every child in Taoyuan.